The crisp morning air filled the excitement as the sun rose over the rolling hills of the Azorial stud farm in Egypt. Today was the annual Egyptian National Arabian Horse Show, and breeders from all over the country came to showcase their prized Arabian horses. For Ahmad, this was a big day. His maid, Leila, was expecting her first foal any day now. He had high hopes that the foal would be a stunning example of the breed to show at the next year's event. The Arabian horse is one of the eldest horse breeds in the world, with a storied history spanning over 4,000 years. Originating in the Arabian Peninsula, the breed is known for its beauty, stamina, and speed. As the judges made their rounds, Ahmad's mind kept wandering to Leila back home. Arabian horse breeding had been his family's tradition for generations. That evening, his father and grandfather regaled excited young children with tales of how Arabian horses battled in ancient desert wars and journeyed with nomads. Stories like this reminded Ahmad of the importance of continuing his family's legacy of producing top Arabian horses. Around midnight, Ahmad's phone rang. Leila's foal had arrived. He rushed over to the stables to find Leila nursing a stunning little filly. Her coat was chestnut red, and she had a perfect crescent moon on her forehead, a symbol of good luck. Overjoyed at this new life and what she represented for his family's breeding program, Ahmad knew this was a National Arabian Horse Day he would never forget. Every year on February 19th, the UA celebrates National Arabian Horse Day to honor this historic breed. Community events are held at Arabian horse farms and ranches around the country. There are shows, parades, bar tours, and races. Some farms host meet and greet events where people can get up close to the horses, take photos, and even go for a ride. The day is a perfect opportunity for those unfamiliar with the breed to learn about the role of Arabian horses throughout history and in current arenas like show jumping, endurance riding, and more. For the stewards of these horses, it is a chance to share their passion with fellow equestrians and newcomers alike. February 19th is National Arabian Horse Day. Here is our painting with all your pastels for this special day, and have a wonderful National Arabian Horse Day. Cheers!